Hey guys, Brad here, Nelson Ridge Farm. Welcome to the farm. I got no time. I got an emergency order for firewood bundles, and a guy's leaving for camping here in just a minute. One of my old regular customers, and I thought he was leaving yesterday, so I missed it. But he called me, and he couldn't leave till today, so I still got time. So I'm gonna go make some stuff. I'm not sure if the bundler has wrap, so I'm gonna take a wrap in case, and then I'm gonna start bundling some firewood. So the old baker's dozen special. So buy 12, get one free. So he's going to get a baker's dozen. Of course, I don't have my tripod. Hey, the first test bundle I made was loose. I'm going to try to tighten up my tension. All right, guys, I'm going to see if this tension's a little better. All right, let's see how she goes. Want it a little tighter. That's one more revolution. Better. Much tighter. Little hickory to top her off. Okay. Guys, I miss making firewood bundles. Thanks for coming along today. Just making a little baker's dozen, my old special, and to my very best customer ever. So he was going camping. He hasn't called me in a long time. He's been working different shifts and all that, but so they didn't get to go camping as much this summer as they wanted to. But they're getting a good trip out now. So we'll make them a few bundles for old time's sake. Very dry hickory. That'll work. I think these are, the tension's pretty good right now. And I'll just give them a 5 wrapper. I usually do 4, but no problem. All right, yeah. I really miss firewood. I've been so busy with hay, and I went back to work a couple days a week that I haven't done a whole lot lately. This is still some of that firewood from the honey hole. If some of y'all been with me for a long time, remember that I got from the honey hole, and I saved a couple face cords for me, and that's what this is. So my all-time favorite customers are getting some out of the honey hole. I kind of got to hurry. They're waiting. They're not waiting on me, but they're leaving pretty quick. All right, hope everybody's all right. I saw you fall there. Big piece of cherry on top. That'll work. Well, maybe that one should go on somewhere else. I appreciate y'all coming with me today. I'm right here behind my neighbor's house. He sometimes texts me, makes fun of me for talking to myself. It's good to have good neighbors. Get one more, see if I can top this off. Little fella. Kind of like that. All right. So I've lost my tripod. I went looking all over for it. I didn't show you that. I might have fallen off my tractor. Ooh. There's a good one for that. Two more to grow on. Two bigger ones. There we go. Kinda. Let's get one more. Something like that. That's 10. Let's see if I can. Got a thin one going down the middle. Yeah. One more. Okay. So number 11. Two more. Put these long ones down here first. There we go. That didn't work. Let's try this little fella. All right. This is number 12. Let's do one more. This is that Johns Welding Bundler, guys, and I can't be more impressed with it. I have completely 1000% abused it. You see, I've left it out here. The cover kind of blew off of it all winter, all summer, and didn't grease it. I didn't do anything right, and it's killing it. I tightened up the tension, and that's it. That was all I did. That's amazing. I was afraid it was gonna be seized up and all that, but y'all look up Johns Welding Shop on your if you're looking for a bundler. If you're looking for a bundler that doesn't mind being abused a little bit, I'm going to try to start taking better care of it. I'm going to take it to the, pressure washer, and not for the bearings and stuff, but try to get some of this mold off. Maybe I'll just scrub it off. But it's working really nice. There's my 13th. Look at this guy. I gotta clean it. It'll clean easy good. I can just scrub it. So Johns Welding, and I need it. I need to grease it. I got grease in it from last year, but he's got a couple of grease zerks that can go in. Belt holding up fine. Wheels are great. I mean the pulleys and then the wheels on the bottom too. But all right, Baker's dozen thrown terribly. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. It's fun to get back into firewood, and I'm going to hopefully do a lot more of it soon. I got a lot of trees down, especially cherry trees, which are my favorite. But I appreciate everybody watching, and I'm going to go deliver. Thank y'all. All right, one more time to say goodbye. Just delivered, and everything went real well. It was great to see him again. He's busy. You know how it is trying to get out of town, especially camping. He's got to hook up the camper. He discovered his camper tags were expired, so he had to go ready. He didn't want any trouble at the campground or whatever in case somebody was checking. But so he went and registered his camper and did all that stuff. So he was happy to get some dry firewood, and I was happy to use that bundler again. I miss doing that, so I'm going to try to get back into it as much as I can. Thank y'all very much again.